That's the thing with these. We're in the enrollment period right now. If you haven't noticed, there's about 4 more days, which means you got another 4 days to put up with people ringing your phone, 24/7. You know, and you think you're talking to a person, but it's a computer, really. And then they get you to a person, and they pitch you on this stuff, and it's like nothing is free. Okay. So when they have these things and you think, well, that's really great, it may be really great. I'm not saying I'm not saying it isn't really great, but what I am saying is you better take a hard look at it. Okay. Before you do an advantage plan. There's some of them that are like what do they call it? There's something 360. I'll remember as soon as as soon as the show's over, I'll remember it. But it's one of these advantage plans, that one of the companies offers, and it's phenomenal. It's almost as good as some of the Medicaid programs in terms of at-home care, because what they figured it was, if we can keep you at home and not come to the emergency room, right? We're going to save money overall. That was the insight that they had. And so there's a lot of at-home care now to prevent people from coming back to use the emergency room, or have recurrences. So, there is some real, and the health club and all that kind of stuff. If you use it, that can really be a very good use, very wise use, in your 60s and 70s. By the time you get to your 80s, though, you shouldn't be doing the health club membership and pay for that out of your pocket, because you're going to need the rehab more likely than not. But that's the kind of thing where you just have to say there is no there is no one size fits all. There's nothing that's good for everybody. It just doesn't work that way. You have to make a choice, and you could make a choice, right? That's not going to be as good as the choice you would have made if you'd have known how the world was going to unfold. Hey, what's new about that? That's just your whole life, right? You make your decision based on the evidence you got, and did you make the right decision? When you look back, you say, "Oh, I should have done this, or I should have done that." Hey, that's all rear view mirror stuff. You can't beat yourself up on that. You just make the best decision you can going forward. And if you consistently make the best decisions you can make, it's not that you'll never make a mistake. You'll make mistakes. You make plenty of mistakes, but by and large, you'll do fine. So you can't worry about what happened. You can only do the best you can with what you got right now. Okay, but keep your eyes open and make good decisions based on all the facts.